like to thank our Abu Dhabi government for giving me this Golden Visa, a great golden opportunity. I would like to thank MyServices for providing a hassle-free documentation process, because of which I was able to get the Golden Visa in UAE. They have supported me in each and every step of this whole process. I would also recommend, I would in fact give a 5-star rating for MyServices, and would recommend anyone who wants to obtain a Golden Visa in UAE to approach myservices.ae. Thank you very much.